Go ahead. Easy. And turn. Keep going. That's only 5-second penalty. Not bad. This is like, her 4th time riding.
I know, for real.
Now make sure you have a hold of him because he's going to want to burn for home. Good job.
Go pick it up. Go pick it up.
He who knocks it down gets to pick it up.